love Switzerland.
Switzerland, basically, it's a dream destination for everybody.
Yeah.
So if you ask somebody, even if you ask a child, where do you
Yeah.
want to go, this is Switzerland. That's
It's
a child.
due to Shah Rukh Khan or Yasraj films, or before that also you feel.
It's a Bollywood is one.
Uh-huh.
I think it's a very attractive and can't go wrong destination. It's a dream destination, of course.
Okay.
Land of chocolates, land of watches,
Uh-huh.
of course, and world of snow. I think for me, Zermatt, I'm very privileged and honored to be a part of Zermatt.
Uh-huh.
It's a very luxury destination.
Uh-huh.
I mean, if you ask a local Swiss person,
Uh-huh.
where would you like to go for your,
Your vacation or-
celebration
yeah.
or for a milestone
Uh-huh.
birthday or a milestone anniversary?
There is so much.
Zermatt is like an icing on the cake.
Uh-huh.
When you Google top destinations, Switzerland, Zermatt always features in the top list.
Okay.
It's a ski resort, international ski resort.
Uh-huh.
All the Hollywood stars,
Uh-huh.
they love to stay in Zermatt. It's a hideout for the rich and famous.
Uh-huh.
And Zermatt is also very unique.
Uh-huh.
You want something very authentic Swiss,
Okay.
surrounded by the Alps, only wooden chalets.
Wow.
And Zermatt is a Kapil resort.
Uh-huh.
I think it's very common to be a part of that.
Wow. About Indian clients, so they always go for Indian restaurant, Indian food. So how you can cater this demand for Indian palate? You know how it will work there.
Zermatt never really thought it was important.
Uh-huh.
Over the years, couldn't ignore the market.
Okay.
There's a number of Indians,
Yes.
So we have very good restaurants like in India.
Uh-huh.
So they have a restaurant right opposite the station.
Okay.
And we have one restaurant on the
Wow.
So Indian guests can breakfast, lunch, dinner, and we also do room service or hotel service
Okay.
like parcel service. Zermatt is all year round destination. Depending on the season you choose. A lot of Indian come in May, June.
Uh-huh.
But winter is very beautiful. And for me, I especially like autumn.
Autumn.
Because of the
Okay.
changing color of trees,
Uh-huh.
rain, and then you have snow in the mountains. And,
We have a huge demand from global markets.
right.
So nowadays, it's not only Indians are coming to Zermatt or Zurich. Lot of American tourists are coming. Lot of Latin people from Mexico, from Colombia, from Brazil. So a lot of tourists we have come from that market also. So we are just doing some fun, huh?
So,
Yeah. So coming, thanks for joining. It's really good. We share some information about Zermatt and Swiss passes. With pleasure. Thank